In this video we will see some pivot table tricks which may be useful to you. We have a table which contains sales data for the year 2021, 2022 and 2023. So we have some 435 rows in the table. I want to see the sales data of each salesperson year wise. We can do this by creating a pivot table and then we can select each salesperson to see his data. But what if we want the sales data of each salesperson year wise in separate sheets? Let's see how we can do this. Click in the table, select the table, go to insert, pivot table, click on from table range. So the data has been already selected. We'll click on new worksheet and we'll click on OK. So I'll get the pivot table layout over here. I'll insert some columns and some rows on the top. So when you click on the layout, normally what we do is we drag the fields from top into the columns below. So in case if we want to drag the product in rows, we do it by dragging it and putting it into the rows, and we get the rows here. So other option what I'll show you is, I'll just remove the field, right click on the pivot layout, click on pivot table options, go to display and click on classic pivot table layout that enables dragging on the fields in the grid. Once you click this, you will be able to drag the fields from the right hand side directly into the pivot layout. Let's see, click on OK. So you'll see the pivot layout over here. Now let's drag and drop the fields. So I need to see the product in the rows. So I'll just drag and drop product. I want to see the order value over here. I would like to filter based on the salesperson. So I'll drag the salesperson in the filter. And I want to see whole data year wise. So what I'll do is I'll drag and drop the date and drop it here in the total. So you can see there are multiple columns generated based on the dates, but this is not how we want. We want to see it in year wise. So what we'll do is we'll right click on date and we'll click on group. In the grouping column there are multiple options. You can select multiple options from here, either year wise, quarter, months, days, hours, minutes. So you can select multiple, but I just want to select years because I want to see the data based on the years. So I'll click on years, click OK, and you will see that the data has been grouped into years. Let's just format this pivot layout. So if you want, you can also format it. So you'll go to design, and select the format as per your requirement. Now if you want to see the data of salesperson, we can just click on any of the salesperson over here, click OK, and you'll be able to see the data based on the years. So the sales what he has done for is like Dell, HPE, IBM, and in the year 2021, 2022 and 2023, and we also have the grand total here. If you click on another record, we can select any other record, any other salesperson, and you'll be able to see the data. But this is not how we want. What we want is to see the salesperson data year wise but in separate sheets. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to click on the salesperson or in the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze option, click on pivot table. In the options you will get an option like show report filter pages. Click on show report filter pages. It will automatically select the salesperson, which is the filter, and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will see that different sheets have been generated based on the salesperson. So basically this is our pivot, the main pivot, and these are all the sheets of the salesperson which we have generated. So you can click on any of the salesperson, click OK, and you will be able to see his particular data for the year 2021, 2022 and 2023. Similarly for other salesperson, other salesperson and current salesperson.